Christmas.
It's Christmas. Merry Christmas. So yeah, today guys, we're just gonna be opening our gifts.
Yep.
And probably vlogging a little bit later, after we do that. And having some Christmas fun.
Yeah.
Before we get started with this video, make sure you
Like,
comment, and subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe to the channel. And Merry Christmas. Hey, Merry Christmas. Hey, and subscribe to the channel. So guys, yep, everybody else is still getting dressed. Me and Lonnie is ready. How we look?
Dad is ready.
Oh yeah, Dad's downstairs putting stuff together.
Princess Aya.
Princess Aya is still getting ready. So stay tuned guys, we're gonna go downstairs, see what Santa bought you. She's like, we know there's no Santa. But yeah guys, so stay tuned.
My eyes, stay tuned.
We don't need no Christmas lights. It's daytime. No Christmas lights. Say Merry Christmas to the vlog.
Merry Christmas.
Saya, say Merry Christmas to the vlog.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. So we're gonna separate the gifts and wrap them.
Just put it down. Just put it down on the floor. Just put it on the floor. Stop throwing it. Take it easy with the gifts. Take it easy. Ain't no name on it?
On the side. I'll do something.
Hold it with two things so y'all don't mess it up.
It's a refrigerator and a freezer.
Yes. So you could put your stuff in the freezer. And to top it off, there's something else we got. No, it's not in there. Get it out the stocking for her. The first stocking by the tree. By the tree. Yep. There you go. Take it out the box. Let me see. I don't know.
Black.
No, it shouldn't be. I thought I told Dad to get the silver. No. You want silver because silver go with everything. So Saya's going first. And her first gift was her fridge that she asked for. Are y'all going to help wiggle it? It turned into a computer, yeah. Mm-hmm. Your headband is on the side of your head. The side, where's yours? You can keep it. On the side, open yours. We can open that later. Oh, that's that's from Lonnie. Smell that. Smell that.
I was gonna get this one. Big one.
Yeah, I couldn't. We went to Kohl's. Sold out, right, Lonnie? The Fenty lip gloss. The clear one you wanted, right? Sold out. Sold out. Yep. Prince, you go. Open Sias. She just opened yours. Open Sias. That's from you, Sias? Oh, you could, yeah, you could look at that.
So he got me this?
That's for any gifts that you have that needed batteries. You gotta make sure you call him and say thank you, okay?
Yeah. And the Kool-Aid test.
That's the exact one for that thing that
I
I wrote.
actually need test. Oh, it is? But this is actually so thank you.
Yes. Well, don't take it off yet. Sai, you go.
No, it's you.
Oh, it's Daddy's. Who's that from?
Yeah.
Ooh, a stitch. It's stitch sheet.
Stitch sheets. So now you can put your comforter and stuff on your bed.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Prince, you go. Yeah. Turn around. Turn the other way. Yeah, that's the couch set.
Yep. I always on the couch.
Who's better than this? It's not bad.
You know it. Turn around. Oh, yeah, that was a set. Lonnie. What is that? It's both. Like a karaoke. Mm-hmm. Here you go. So guys, we are done opening the gifts. Lonnie is over here doing some program stuff. Some bracelets. Yeah. Where's the box? The box, I don't know what the box is. And everybody else is upstairs putting their things away. We had a great Christmas, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for supporting us, guys. I'm not gonna end the vlog yet though. We got somewhere to go. We have to go to our cousin's house. You know, the twins. So definitely stay tuned and we're gonna bring y'all with us. But Lonnie wants to show y'all what she got for Christmas. And I'm cooking some curry goat because that's what I'm bringing over today for Christmas dinner. Yeah, it smells so good in this house. Can't wait to eat. But yeah, guys, hope you guys had a good Christmas, a happy holiday. Y'all getting ready for the New Year's. All the kids is out of school. Hopefully y'all having a good time out. But let me show y'all my goat. Steam. This is curry goat, guys. And Lonnie, come over here so you can show them. So you can show them what you got for Christmas. Come on. This is the rubber band thing she's doing. She's having some true fruit with it.
So guys, this is how you put this on.
Well, she's making a name bracelet. But let's show them what you got for Christmas.
So, I got this tree. Nice and cozy. Oh yeah. And the twins mom actually gave me another one.
A beanbag chair.
Yeah,
It's
not
upstairs
this,
already.
but it's a blue beanbag.
Oh, we're not gonna go through all the toys, but this is, take a look,
So
guys.
this is the box I'm working on.
Yep, that's the box, the bracelet box, rubber band, bracelets that she's working on. But this is pretty much what she has. She had a bunch of clothes as well and some sneakers that didn't get here on time. It's coming tomorrow or Friday.
Look guys, comment down below what y'all think my favorite is.
Out of all her gifts, comment down below what your favorite gift is.
My favorite is this, that,
She got a couple.
and that, and that. So stay tuned. See where
We're dressed, and yeah, and we're on our way over to our cousin's house.
Gang.
Merry Christmas, guys.
Merry Christmas.
Merry,
Christmas.
Merry, hey, hey, bring it out back, bring it all back, hey,
Merry
hey,
Christmas.
hey,
Merry
hey,
Christmas.
hey.